Welcome back to the channel.
Today
On
Turn
5. Make sure you subscribe and hit like.
Yes. Indefinitely. Always
Just do it. So today we have a problem. I don't know if it comes up on camera super well. I'm trying to get a good view, but if you can see right here, it's there. You can see my finger writing in there. It's streaky. How do you get that out? I often get asked this question.
Do you?
No.
Me either.
But from time to time, I have this issue. And what I have found out is this. Here, grab the camera.
Okay.
Sorry,
audience. Viewers. That probably hurt.
Hit you in the head. Ouch. Okay, this is what I have found to work. It's Spray Way glass cleaner. I believe I get it from Sam's Club in a 3-pack. You take this, you shake it up. You get a microfiber towel. Clean. This is going to be the easiest and best way. Okay, here we go. See how nice that is?
Look at how fast this is.
It's extremely quick and effective. Quick and effective.
Effective.
I don't even think we gotta do another loop there, but look at that.
Looks pretty dang good to me.
It is quite streakless. So I know you can buy a whole bunch of car windshield.
I think you missed some right there.
Cleaner.
Oh, that's on the exterior.
Let's give her a little dot there. Here, you can even go like this. You want to do a little touch-up spot? Where did you see it? Right there?
Mm-hmm.
And the rest of that's on the outside.
Sweet.
So you can go ahead and you can buy car windshield washer cleaner, but I would say save yourself frustration and buy this Spray Way glass cleaner from Sam's Club. Not a paid product placement, but if you want to, Spray Way, made in the USA, go ahead, reach out to us. We'll promote your product.
Or we already did without a paid product placement.
We'll do it again.
All right.
And then look at this. As a little side benefit, you know, you get little fingerprints on all these new fancy touch screens. You can clean that up.
Nice.
If you guys have any other tech questions, you can send them to the Turn 5 Tech Department, and we can definitely answer some of your questions.
Tech department.
Yeah.
What are we, a growing operation?
Yeah, they're in the basement of our headquarters.
That's me. I'm in the basement
So
of
you're the head of the tech department.
Oh!
You just got promoted.
Yes!
All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Go check this out, try it. I guarantee, at least for me, it works way better than any other window cleaner that I've had for a vehicle.
Yet again, if you found this informational or inspiring or amazing, make sure to click like and subscribe.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I know that was quick, but very effective. That's what we do here. Quick and effective. Bam!
Ow!
Awkward high five.
Yeah.
Till next time, you guys. We'll see ya.